Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe, and if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be hopping on one of the trends that's been floating around YouTube lately. But before you do, I would appreciate if you take one quick second and go down below and subscribe so you don't miss any videos from me, and thumbs up the video if you like it, and yeah. Let's get started. So in the makeup world, Thomas Halbert was one of the YouTubers to start the I tried following trend that's going around now on YouTube, but Chizi Duru was the one who originally started it in the natural hair community. So shout out to both of them. You know, you have to give credit where credit is due. I feel like a lot of YouTubers don't do that. Today I'm going to try to do a Mini Marley hair tutorial, and it is going to be a flat twist out. Now, number one, if you do not know who Mini Marley is, where have you been? What natural haired rock have you been living under? I believe she's digital media by trade, but she has the most bomb hair ever. Her editing style is amazing, and I just love her videos to the gods. She's so amazing and absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna try following one of her flat twist out tutorials because her hair comes out amazing, like regardless. She just wakes up like that. So the video I chose to follow is her how to flat twist out on natural hair. And it is sponsored, so hopefully I don't get flagged for this. We're gonna hope and pray that my hair comes out as bomb as hers.
What's up guys, it's your girl Breanna, aka Mini Marley, and in today's video we are going to be getting all up into this bomb flat twist out. Alright, so I'm starting this style on freshly washed hair. I just washed and conditioned and deep conditioned my hair, and it's looking a little bit crazy because it dried out in my towel.
Okay, so she did a side part?
I like to do a side part, and then I'm going to take this side of my hair, clip it up,
Ooh, girl,
and I'll take the other side of this part and clip this side up. And this is really important. The way I section and twist my hair really affects the way it falls in the end. So if you want to follow this technique, I suggest you do copy the parting.
Okay, so let's copy the parting. Ooh, I'm struggling. It's not you, girl. It's not you, Minnie. It's not you, Mini Marley. It's all me. I know I'm blind, so I gotta get closer to the mirror. We got the part down, and then she just takes her fingers and goes like this. Is that even? Hers don't look that even. And go like this. That's what she's doing. That is what she is doing. I do this all the time too, girl. This is no shade. I don't know if my head is as big as hers. She looks like she has more hair. I think she just has more hair. I feel like I should put more in my bottom half section. Why don't we do that? I think she just has more hair than me. We've got to copy the parting. Whew, that was workout. This is a workout. Okay, and now we're gonna start on the back section. Just right down like this. I have never tried any of the Jane Carter products, and I looked up the Curls to Go products just to see if I could use them for this video exactly like Mini Marley was doing, but like almost every single product in that line has glycerin as the first or second ingredient, and we all know how she feels about glycerin. It's just a no-go for me. So I am going to use an entire line of products that I do have, which is Adwoa Beauty, and I'm about to swirl the camera around on all of my products like she swirled the camera around on hers, okay? This is the leave-in conditioner from Adwoa Beauty, and I'm gonna put that all over this section like she did. I typically don't put leave-ins all over my sections. I'll do it section by section so I know. But I really like these products. Adwoa Beauty, they're really, really good products. They just work wonders for my hair. So now I'm gonna take the Adwoa Beauty Cream Styler. I might like this way of applying products, you know? You just put it, slap it all on there. Y'all know I am heavy-handed. Heavy. Got my little section out, and I'll clip the rest out the way. I don't know if that's what she did, but that's what I'm gonna do because I need to focus. So the gel that I have from Adwoa Beauty doesn't come in a pump. It comes in like a regular little jar thing. So I'm just gonna take one little dollop. Yeah, okay, this is how much I feel like would come out in a pump if I had a pump. So we're gonna put that on here. One pump per twist. I'm gonna take my damn brush too. I'm gonna take it.
So I went ahead and distributed those two products throughout this entire section, and now I'm going with my Denman brush and I'm detangling the whole section.
Making sure that my hair is properly detangled, just like she had said. Okay.
My first flat twist, as you can see me doing here, I'm just flat twisting this back section all the way straight down.
Oh, that was fast. Okay, girl, she sped it up. Okay, I'm gonna speed mine up too because I flat twist slow. I feel like I just got the hang of flat twist like 2 months ago, and I'm not kidding. I used to do flat twists, but it would just it would take me a while. I already messed up. This was a very ambitious video for me. Listen, I typically don't like flat twists because whenever I tried to flat twist my hair, the ends would come out so freaking frizzy. I'm like, my roots would be looking cute, but everything else would be so frizzy, which is why I just opted for normal twists and never looked back. But we're gonna try her method of doing things. Oh, we did it. Did we do it? I think we did it. Okay, so right here, this is typically where I think my flat twists come out like trash. Whenever I put my hair in a certain clumpage up at the top of the twist, I always would brush out the bottom. And I think that messes up the pre-clumped sections. So while you take it out on the part that isn't attached to your head, that ends up fine. And then when you start taking the part out that is attached to your head, it starts to, like, you have to pull and like it comes out really frizzy. So she rebrushes hers out, but I don't think I want to do that.
So make sure that you detangle your hair halfway through so that your curls come out nice and smooth.
You're supposed to be following Ebony. What's wrong with you? And twirl it. You gotta twirl it at the end.
And then of course coil your ends at the end of the twist if you can, because that just helps the curls stay even nicer.
I'm already prepared for my hair to not come out as awesome as hers because her fro is shaped really cute. I haven't had my hair shaped literally at all since I went natural. So this is what my two flat twists are looking like, girl.
And this is what it looks like when I finish the middle section and the bottom section.
That was fast. Okay, so this is the part where she adds her shine spray, but I don't have mine in a spray, so I'm gonna add the oil that comes in it. And I think the twist in the middle, this one right here, I definitely think I made that one too big, so I might split off the bottom part of it just so it dries quicker. Yeah, this is like a monster twist. We're definitely gonna have to split that one off. She didn't do this in the video. I'm just doing this because I know it might take 3.5 days for my hair to dry if I don't. So now we're going to split this section in half. Okay.
So now I'm going to detangle my hair, making sure that it's all nice and detangled and ready to be twisted up.
Okay.
And then this section is going to be twisted down towards my ear. So as you can see, I'm just flat twisting this section down towards my ear, detangling it, coiling at the ends. And yeah, don't forget to apply your elongating gel.
I think her hair she just has more hair than me. So I feel like I'm using the same size sections that she recommends, but like the square inches, the square inch of her head, I think she just has more hair.
So now for this top front section, I'm gonna be flat twisting this towards my face. I like when my hair falls in my face at the front, and it just goes well with the way that my hair is shaped right now.
And then she detangles a little bit. Oh my gosh. These tutorials move fast, y'all. I just don't have as much hair as she does. So I'm gonna do all of these going straight down because I think that's what would make the most sense for my peanut head. So here we go.
So this is what my twists are looking like. I let them dry overnight.
This is what my twists are looking like, and I'm gonna let mine dry overnight. She had 2 twists coming forward on this side and then 4 little twists underneath. I don't have that much hair, so I can't do that. She is just blessed and highly favored, but like I said, I got like a peanut head. So yeah, we are going to let these air dry for a day and a night, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you guys the takedown results.
I find that with flat twists, it takes so long to take these down because I like to coil each curl around my finger to make sure that I get rid of any excess frizz. You guys know that's my #1 technique. I always coil the hair around my finger as I'm taking it down, and that will reduce frizz.
Okay, so here we go. She said go really slow. This might take a very long while. Oh, that's the top. Okay, that's the top of the twist. That's it. Okay. Twirling around my finger. I'm liking the results so far. Okay. Breanna, come through. This is pretty time consuming. I do see why she says take your time and go slow because of the frizz that can happen during this process. But it's all good. It's all good. Still following her directions, and I still think it's coming out pretty cute. Girl, come through, Bree. I don't even know if people call her Bree in real life. I'ma call you Bree. Come through. This twist out is popping. This twist out is so popping. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the way my hair turns out. And you know, you got the carefree curls in your face, kind of like a boho chic, which is totally her style. Boho, bohemian, like that's her thing. I love this. I love it so much. I love it so much. I don't have as much volume as she does, but I'm also not going to pick my hair out because I think that it will grow over the week. But hunty, look at my hair. Y'all are looking. Yes, it worked. Girl, I am shocked. I like it. I like it a lot. Admittedly, my twist out came out, I think, more frizzy than hers because I'm not the pro. I'm just following along. If you don't know who Mini Marley is, get your life and go follow her immediately. And try this twist out. Try this flat twist out because it is everything. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Partially mine, partially Mini Marley's video. Go check her channel out, subscribe, she's awesome. Come subscribe to my world as well because, you know, we both have poppin' twist outs. You'd be hard pressed to tell the difference between the two of us right now. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up the video. Check out my previous uploads if you would like, and if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.